Hi, Dobie. Hi, pretty babe. Hi, pretty babe. How are you?
Hello.
Hi, pretty babe.
Hi, Toby.
Hi, Dobie. Hi, Dobie.
Hi, Dobie. Bye, Dobie.
I fly.
He did it the whole time.
I fly.
He licked you. He licked you.
Hi, pretty babe. Come on. Come on over here. Come on. Come on over here. Come on. Come on. Come on over here.
I fly.
I fly. Want a tomato? Hi, pretty babe. Hi, pretty babe. I like pretty babe.
Do a whistle like whoo.
I like pretty babe. I fly. Oh, she's stuck on I.
Do it again.
I fly. I fly. Fly, 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 fly. I fly, 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 fly.
Oh my God!
Really? No kidding. Really?
What did he say? What did he say?
I have no idea. What? 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 What, Dobie?
Hi.
No. Dobie doesn't know you. Want a tomato? Hi, pretty babe. I like pretty babe. Want a tomato? What a pretty bird. What a pretty, pretty bird.
You are.
What a pretty, pretty bird. You want my hair? Yeah, see?
Do it again.
I'm getting a haircut here. Forget Fantastic Sam's. I'm getting a haircut. Here, you want a tomato?
Does he know how to say Yvonne?
No. Hi.
Can I feed him a peanut?
There, give him. Tell me you're gonna give him a tomato.
Here, tomato.
There's a tomato.
I fly.
I think I got peanut shell in my
I'm
eye.
gonna give him another one.
Oh, okay. Her. It's a her.
Oh, her. I'm sorry, Toby.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh, he still has that peanut in his mouth.
Yeah, I know. She likes those. She likes those tomatoes.
Do you like cats? Hey. Do you want to see what he has so far?
Hmm?
You want to see what he has so far
Mm-hmm.
on the video?
Yeah, sure. Let's see.